Hey everyone, and welcome to another useful phrases video from Intel, the languages expert. Today, we're going to talk about asking for directions like a native. Are you feeling lost? Whether you're traveling abroad or exploring a new city, knowing how to ask for directions politely can make your experience much smoother. So, first of all, be friendly and approachable. People are more willing to help you if you're polite and respectful, so smile and make eye contact. Alright, so let's dive in. Start with a polite greeting. In English-speaking countries, you can start with something very simple such as, excuse me. So we would say, excuse me, do you know where I can find the? For example, do you know where I can find the Museum of Fine Arts? Remember in this case to be specific, as this helps the other person understand exactly what you need. Another example would be, excuse me, how do I get to from here? For example, how do I get to the Columbus Park of Roses from here? Or we can also use this phrase, sorry, would you happen to know where the is? For example, would you happen to know where the Bayside Marketplace is? But what if you're lost in the city? In case you're lost in the city, you can use phrases such as, excuse me, I'm a little lost. Could you please tell me where to find the? Or you can use, excuse me, I'm a little turned around. Can you tell me how to get to? So, those are some phrases you can use to ask for directions. But what about the answers? You may ask people for directions, but if they are new to the city or if they don't know the area very well, you may hear, or maybe you will have to say, phrases such as, I'm sorry, I'm not from around here. I have no idea, sorry. Or, I'm not sure, you better ask someone else. What about the directions we receive? If you're speaking to a native, probably you won't receive directions the same way you see them in textbooks. You'll hear expressions such as head down that way, go down that street, follow the street. So for example, turn right at the next intersection may become take, make, or hang a right at the next intersection and then take the road on the right. Also, go straight until you reach the lights may become continue until, continue on, and listen to this. You're gonna wanna keep going until you see the bank at the traffic lights. Be aware of the fact that many native speakers use landmarks to give directions, so phrases like these may be very common. Don't stop until you get to the coffee shop with the red roof, which is right next to the yellow building. So, when you're arriving to your destination, phrases as the following will be the rule. Then, it's the building on the left. Or, you'll know it when you see it. It's the building on the left with the green sign. And you're gonna see it on the left, opposite to the bank. Well, so now you know how to ask for directions like a native. Make sure not to forget to, first of all, listen carefully. Also, repeat the direction, summarizing it. And always thank the person for their help. A simple thank you so much goes a long way. And there you have it. Asking for directions like a native is all about politeness, clarity, and a friendly attitude. Practice these tips and you'll navigate like a pro. So happy exploring! Do you have any question? Leave us a comment and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. If you want to learn more, visit our webpage and ask about the different courses we offer. This was brought to you by Intel, the languages expert. Have a good one!